Nestled within the ancient woodlands of Parque La Loire in Villa Udaondo, Argentina, Refugio Bosque stands as a testament to thoughtful, context-driven architecture. Conceived by architect Sol Galliano and her design team, this compact 50-square-meter retreat merges simplicity with ingenuity, responding to both ecological sensitivity and evolving lifestyle needs. Originally intended as a rehearsal space for a music band, the project's program shifted during the pandemic to become a family refuge, an intimate dwelling deeply attuned to its wooded surroundings. At its core, Refugio Bosque embodies a minimalist ethos. Every space was carefully calibrated to serve multiple functions without excess. The design responds to immediate needs while accommodating a possible future return to its original purpose as a studio, a pragmatic approach that balances flexibility with restraint. This duality between present and future use informs spatial decisions throughout the project. Upon entering, one encounters a single integrated living space that seamlessly blends daily activities, from cooking to socializing. Adjacent to this open area lies a dedicated bedroom, thoughtfully positioned with generous storage to maximize comfort within a compact footprint. A deliberately expanded northwest orientation invites light and warmth into the primary living zone, encouraging extended use of the space year-round. One of the most compelling features of Refugio Bosque is its transparent perimeter line of glazing, which frames the towering canopy beyond. Through these continuous views, inhabitants are constantly reminded of the forest's presence, whether bathed in morning light or shaded by the rustling leaves in summer. This visual continuity dissolves the boundary between interior and exterior, fostering a sense of immersion in nature. Material choices reinforce the project's dialogue with its context. Impregnated pine boards clothe the exterior, anchoring the structure in its rustic setting, while phenolic Watambu wood finishes unify floors, walls, storage, and cabinetry inside. This cohesive palette not only enhances tactile warmth but also promotes durability and ease of maintenance, important considerations for a retreat designed to weather both climate and changing use. Ultimately, Refugio Bosque demonstrates how modest interventions can yield rich architectural experiences. Its emphasis on orientation, material honesty, and spatial flexibility offers valuable insights for designers and homeowners alike. In a world increasingly defined by a desire for connection with nature, this project invites us to reconsider how architecture can nurture that bond, without excess, without pretense.